Guys, in my last video I owed you one because I tried to show you how to update your operating system, the ArkOS4Clone on the R36S device, so that you can benefit from upgrades all along. But this update that I showed you last time in the options menu, it's only updating the packages, which are the internal packages of the Ark OS. So it's not really an OS update. If you go to the main menu and press the start button, you will see the distro version right here, and you can notice I do have the July version, which is not okay. And in this video I'm going to show you how to properly update your R36S with the Ark4OS, the operating system, to the latest version without losing your game data. I'm going to try to perform this on my R36S device, since it's not really used by me in the games, so I can afford to lose the data which I do have in here. So bear with me, I'm going to show you how to proceed. First of all, if you have the device open, you need to shut it down. So go to the start, select quit, and shut down the system. Simply because we need to plug in our SD card into the laptop. You get the SD card. If you need an adapter, plug it into adapter and then plug it into your computer. Now, once you insert your SD card into the laptop or computer, you'll see that you get three partitions: the boot, EasyROMs, and the root partitions, which are essential for the ArkOS to function properly. Now, your view might be a little bit different because I have Linux, but the same principles apply on Windows and macOS. Now, the very next step is to navigate to their release pages. So I'll put the link into the description of this video. Now, if you navigate to this page, you will see some information, the bug fixes that they did, important notes, and so on and so forth. Now, if you go to the section called installation guide, you see that you have instructions for the fresh installation, but we are not performing a fresh installation of this thing. We just perform an OTA upgrade, and we have the instructions here. So they say something like that: download the first boot sh, we replace the sh in the boot partition, then we download the update.tar and copy to the EasyROMs drive, and we unmount the SD card, we plug it in the device, and the OTA update should start automatically. Cool, it's time to click on the first boot sh to download the file and also the update.tar. Just wait for the download to finish properly, and then we proceed with copying those files to the corresponding locations according to the instructions stated on this page. So we have the first boot and the update.tar. So the first boot sh goes to the boot partition. Let's open the downloads directory. First boot will go to the boot partition, and we replace this. Cool. Now the update.tar goes to the EasyROMs drive. Update.tar, EasyROMs. I think we need to just copy it in the root. Okay, same level as GBA. GBA is here. Yeah, it's on the same. So you could just copy both of them files into the root partitions. Now I will click this button to unmount all these partitions. Operation is already pending. Writing data to SD. This should not happen, but maybe there's a problem with my Linux here, but you should be just fine with it on the Windows or any other platforms. Now I see they got unmounted, so now it's safe for me to unplug the SD card from the computer, and I'll just put it in the device into the R36S, and let's see what happens. Every day can be a surprise. I have my SD card unplugged from the computer, as I stated to you in the last step, and now it's time to put it in the R36S device. Okay, now it made the click, and let's turn it on and see what happens. I guess nothing happens. You can see I have the OTA update menu. It's performing some steps, so it's doing some work. We need to wait for the process to finish, so be patient with that. Don't turn off your device, don't do anything to it, don't click on it, don't touch it eventually. I see there's a yellow cursor blinking. Yeah, this process can take some time. Let's just see. I hope it's fast enough. Yeah, who knows, might take forever. You usually have no idea. But anyway, I'll just pause for now in order not to keep you very long. Now after 3 minutes I can see some output. I see it's flashing the image. I see some OTA success. Please remove the SD card. So it says that we need to remove the SD card and rerun the DTB selector. I thought that it's going to stay to keep those files of the DTB, but that's no issue. That means that we have to unplug, once it powers off, we have to unplug the SD card, we need to put it back into our computer and rerun the DTB selection tool. That is important because it needs to match our device, because this version of ArkOS works on many devices. It needs to have these specific files to be put into the corresponding places so that it recognizes the specific hardware of this device, because for instance the R36S Max has a bit of a different hardware, so this is why it's important. So according to what the OTA process told me, I'm going to unplug the SD card and I'm going to do the DTB selector. Now I'm not going to show you the DTB selection part in this video because it's going to be the same as in the video where you install it from scratch, where you install it from fresh. So please check that video as well, because it's containing valuable information about this DTB selector. And plus I have two videos, because I have two devices, so I have the R36S and also have the Max with me, and I have two videos for both of them. So please don't forget to check them out in order to get this DTB thing done on this device. Thank you very much for watching. I really wish you would find my videos useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also my newsletter on my website affieter.com. Thank you so much and see you around. Cheers!